I'm Teresa Martins. I am Product Marketing Director here at Brookstone for audio and entertainment products, which are toys and games. So these headphones were developed for people looking for active noise cancellation so they could block out the noise in a noisy scenario like perhaps an airplane, a commuter train, or even at their office. So my favorite feature about these particular headphones is that they're ultra comfortable. They have super soft interior as well as on the headband, and you can wear them for hours and hours. So what makes these different in the market is that you have a robust feature set with comfort, you have active noise cancellation and high sound quality for a really great price. These are great because they're travel friendly, they fold, they have a pouch to carry with them, and keep in mind they are Bluetooth, yet we provide the aux-in cable so you can listen to any kind of music or video anytime.